Ain't nothing like starting the day out 28 degrees and your dog won't roll the window up. But hey, we're fixing to go get some parts to fix a few things at the shop. Got to stop by the old gas station and see if they got some refreshments. And yeah, no, that ain't snow out there, but it feels like it could be. Anyway, $28 degrees. The dog's crazy. I'm crazy. Hey, just a little midweek update on what's going on in the shop. So spending a couple of days on the Impala, getting some of the custom work done for the interior. We're making these mock-up panels that will later transfer into some aluminum to where it covers up the seats that we built. Getting some of the foam in shape, building the lower dash extension and kick panels. So that's all in an upcoming video. So if you like hot rods and you want to learn how to do some of this stuff the simple way, yeah, subscribe to Spanky's and come join the fun. Let's go see what else we've been working on this week. Yep, another one of those tire mounting videos coming at you here pretty soon. So waiting on a couple of tubes to get here because these are tube type tires and two of the tubes were wrong. So as soon as they get here, I'll be able to finish that video up and show you just how to and how not to mount some tires at home. You gotta love that stuff. Yeah, you gotta love it. Also, this week we've been working on the old 32 Roadster pickup truck. I'm fixing to pull that Holly off, I believe, for the last time. Throw it over in the junk box and wait till I have time to rebuild it for another project. I'm gonna put on the Edelbrock carburetor and see if we can't get that dialed in. Working on the old truck on the left, we're finishing up some exhaust work on that. That's in an upcoming video that hadn't already hit. And yes, the Porsche, got some Porsche parts in. The old part that I needed, got it for my birthday. So yeah, as soon as I have some time, we're gonna throw the front suspension pan on that, get the bottom all done up, painted, and ready to put the engine in it. So really excited about that, but don't have room to take it apart right this second. That's gonna be a project coming up very, very soon. Let's see what else we got going on. Now this is a project I know a bunch of you guys are going to be excited about. A bunch of you Roadster guys that are running around topless. And this is the top that I started 7 years ago after the Roadster was finished. Maybe longer than that, I don't know. Running around topless this whole time. But yeah, I want to make that cross-country trip and I don't want to do it without a top. I don't want to get cooked by the sun, beat by the rain, or freeze to death going across the desert out there. So gonna build a top, already started, already got some videos coming out, taking the mock-up top that I built a long time ago and turning it into the real deal with the 3/4 inch tubing. So you don't want to miss that. If you've got a top, if you've got an MG Midget, a 32 Roadster, 34 Roadster, whatever you've got and you want a top for it, you may even be making a custom car, who knows. We're going to make a top to fit the 32, but you can use these tips and tricks on whatever you want to build your top for. A new top for one of those cars is around $5 to $6 grand for just about any car if you're going to build one from scratch. We're going to do this one for pennies on the dollar. Just stick with me. Even if we screw up a couple of times, it's still going to be way, way cheaper than going out and buying one. That's if you want to build it yourself. Now, if you don't want to do that, you don't want to learn, get that credit card out and give some of those boys a call. They'll be glad to take your money. Hey, I might even do it, but I'd rather just get mine done first. I don't know what else we've got going on. Come on, let's go see. All right, for those of you that were around when I built the old Indian here, from scrap parts that we found on the side of the road, well, you're not going to want to miss this because we've got some new parts coming for an all new build and it's going to be really cool. Instead of being the patina original look, we're going after a really slick, high-end custom motorcycle look. You're not going to want to miss that. It's going to be really fun. It's going to be a quick series just like this one was. We're going to spend about an hour a week and we're going to do actual everything that we do build time. So if you follow along with me, then you'll be able to be 1 week behind. The first week, you'll gather your parts up that I showed you on the first video, and by week 10, you'll be riding with me. Yep, you don't want to miss that, so stick around that car. If you like 32 Fords or any kind of street rods, this is a good channel for you. So that's a lot going on this week. We're trying to get through the week. So do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Hit your notification bell so you'll know when one of these cool videos pops up. Anyway, I appreciate every single one of you guys, whether you subscribe to the channel or not. I want to get the word out to get you guys off of the couch and out in the garage building something. So with that said, see you guys later in another episode. Now, what did I always say? Get out in the garage and go build something. Spanky's gone.